10 years after Occupy Wall Street, there's a new type of financial protest. But instead of marches in Zuccotti Park, these protesters are sounding off on social media sites, calling for stock tips that will make the group rich while hurting hedge funds on the other side of the trade. Their meeting place? A subreddit group with more than 3 million members known as Wall Street Bets. It was there that the idea of buying GameStop went viral. As the stock soared, the financial world was left stunned.
We are seeing a phenomenon that I have never seen.
There's nothing normal about what you're seeing when it comes to this stock right now.
That's because GameStop, which sells video games and consoles, is not doing well. Their sales are plummeting and their stores are shuttering. Most analysts say profitability is still years away. So why did the Reddit group buy? Well, it started this spring when a user pointed out that GameStop had a massive amount of short interest, bets essentially that the stock would decline. As long as the stock fell, short sellers would make money. But the Redditors figured out that if they collectively bought a bunch of GameStop, they could force a surge. The short sellers would have to buy back higher, creating what's known as a squeeze. And it worked. GameStop skyrocketed, going from $3 in April to nearly $350 today. Several large hedge funds were severely wounded in the process.
You have basically the David pack of wolves beating the Goliath pack of wolves. That is retail investors winning against the professional hedge funds.
The weapon of choice for these new traders are platforms like Robinhood that have become popular during the pandemic. Many stuck at home have turned to the markets for entertainment and to make some money. GameStop hardly the only heavily shorted stock that's surging. These new traders also moving in on Bed Bath & Beyond and AMC.
You could imagine their business is in great shape. After all, everybody's going to the movies.
A little bit of sarcasm there from our colleague David Faber, but earlier today, AMC said it took advantage of the stock surge, sold $300 million worth, cash that may help during the pandemic. And both GameStop and AMC's stock prices did decline in aftermarket trading after the SEC said it is monitoring the situation. Also tonight, Wall Street Bets went private on Reddit. Shep.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.